Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Republic investing app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick in-depth review about this platform, which is Republic. Republic is an investing app that let everyday people put money into startup, real estate, cryptos, and other private market opportunity. With a starting point as low as $10, users can browse vetted deals, track their investment, and even automate contributions through the features like autopilot. The app is clean, beginner-friendly, and make it easy to explore alternative investment that were once only available to wealthy investors. But it is not perfect. Some users say the app can be slow or buggy, and that's hard to get update from the companies you've invested in. Since these are private investment, your money can be locked up for years without no clear returns. Customer support also get mixed review, with some people reporting delays in trouble accessing their account. So while Republic is a great way to dive into a early stage investing, it's best for those who understand the risk and don't make wanting a long-term result. And that's it.